What I really love about Vietnamese cooking is its use of fresh vegetables, lean meats, and the relative absence of heavy sauces and the use of deep frying. So today we're going to lean into my Vietnamese roots and we're going to make fresh spring rolls. These fresh spring rolls utilize a plethora of herbs and vegetables, and we're going to use some shrimp for our protein. And then we're going to make a peanut dipping sauce to go with it. So as always, I'm Dr. T, and let's cook something awesome. To encase our omnivorous delight, we'll use some rice paper, and then we're going to fill it with a variety of herbs and vegetables and some shrimp. So we've got some shrimp that I've lightly sauteed and cut in half. We've got cilantro in the middle here. We've got carrot and cucumber, English cucumber, which I've sliced into long, thin slices. We have lettuce, that's butter lettuce. We've got mint, and we've got Thai basil right below it. And then we've got chive, which we've just left in long strips. And next we need to prepare our rice paper, and simply dunk it into some warm water for a few seconds. A few seconds is all you really need, and it will continue to soften up even if it's not completely pliable when you bring it out. Now we're just going to lay it down on our cutting board and start stacking up our vegetables. We started with the lettuce, carrot, our strips of cucumber. We're going to add our shrimp on top here. We're putting it in that position so that it is visible when we roll it up. We're going to add our chive and our other herbs. So we've got chive, cilantro, mint, and basil. You can customize these herbs to whatever you like. And then the last ingredient that's going to go on top, which I forgot to put in the last clip there, is going to be our rice vermicelli noodles. So those noodles you just cook according to the package. They'll become nice and soft and pliable, and you'll just put a little bunch up on top of your herbs. Just like that. And then at this point, you just channel your inner burrito rolling skills. We're gonna pull in the sides here and burrito wrap it like crazy. And as you can see, I really suck at this. But here you go. There's your Vietnamese spring roll. We're also gonna make a tasty dipping sauce, and this dipping sauce is really easy. We've got peanut butter, we've got hoisin, and a splash of soy sauce. You can use smooth peanut butter. I'm using chunky because normally you would put some crushed peanuts up on top, but I'm cutting out the middleman and just using the chunky stuff from the get-go. And we're just gonna stir this up. This is a little thick here, so we're just gonna splash in a little water to make sure that we have the correct consistency. And again, just give that a nice mix. You can continue to add a little bit of water until it gets to where you want it. I like mine a little bit thicker so it sticks to the roll a little bit better. Tasty. So there you have it. A very short and simple recipe. You couldn't get any easier than this. The hardest part is chopping up the vegetables, honestly. But these are fresh and a really great appetizer if you're going to have something a little bit heavier later on. Or they're really great as just a snack. But either way, give these a try. They're so easy to make. And if you found value in this video, please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Come on.